Apple might have just pulled off one of the biggest surprises yet, because while the iPhone 17 series is barely 2 months old, leaks about the iPhone 18 lineup are already heating up. And this time, it's not just about cameras or chipsets. Apple might finally be taking design risks again. So, according to a pretty reliable leaker, the iPhone 18 Pro models could feature something we've never really seen on an iPhone before: a transparent back. Yeah, like the ones you've seen on the Nothing phone or those wild Xiaomi Explorer editions from back in the day. Now, it's not totally clear how transparent Apple plans to go here. Maybe it's just slightly see-through glass with hints of the internals, or maybe Apple's going full retro and letting you actually peek inside the phone. Either way, it's a massive shift from the clean, minimal designs we've seen for years. What's interesting is that this isn't just about looks. Apparently, Apple's also testing a punch hole display instead of the dynamic island, which could finally make that screen look truly edge-to-edge. On top of that, there's talk of a variable aperture main camera, something Samsung and Huawei have experimented with in the past. And get this, the Pro Max might even come with a steel-cased battery. That sounds like a move focused on durability and maybe even heat management. And while all of that sounds wild enough, the camera upgrades don't stop there. A new JP Morgan report says every flagship iPhone 18 model could come with a 24-megapixel front camera, up from 18 megapixels on the iPhone 17 series. That's a massive leap and should mean sharper selfies, better low-light shots, and improved portrait accuracy. What's even crazier is that Apple's upcoming foldable iPhone, yes, the foldable one, might feature an under-display 24-megapixel camera. That'd be an industry first. Meanwhile, the cheaper models like the iPhone 17e and 18e will stick to the regular 12-megapixel sensors for now. And here's the real kicker: Apple might also be changing how it launches iPhones altogether. Reports say starting in 2026, we'll see 2 iPhone launch windows: premium models like the iPhone 18 Pro, Pro Max, and the foldable dropping in the second half of the year, and the regular models coming out in spring. That's a big shakeup from Apple's usual one event per year strategy. If Apple really does go for a transparent design, it could feel like a modern callback to those old translucent iMacs from the 90s. You know, the ones that basically defined Apple's personality back then. And honestly, it's about time Apple brought some fun back into its hardware design. So, what do you think? Is Apple about to make the most futuristic-looking iPhone ever? Or is this just another rumor that'll fade before launch? Drop your thoughts down below, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that subscribe button because there's a lot more iPhone 18 madness coming your way.